calculated. There's no way tinga unonge ubale wa Malawi ndi Tanzania because of vegetables. Kulibe zimene zozo. Because of our farm produce. The consequences are very high. Then namukuti Tanzania inu ifeya Malawi ndifa anthu ogona. I've been telling you comrades Malawians, musogololi watu uchakwera ndi watulo. That's the problem. There's nothing. When the leadership is poor in the country, aliyesa mapanga chipenda kupanga. Can't you see kutepapa tikuyaluka ndifeya Malawi? What do we have here? Tindi chani kumalawi kunoko. Someone has said it clearly. Kumalawi kuno olo ngombe zimene ngombe zatu zimene tikuweta kumalawi kuno. They're not ready for export. We can't even palibe chimene chingatisunge kumalawi kunoko minus Tanzania. Tisamana mizana papa yaya. Uyuyu minister Vitumbiko Mumba anala kwisa with Chakwera. There's no way a newly appointed minister.
Kulena kuti ndikulankhula kwa Comrade Samuel Wara amene akunena kuti Amalawi tisalole kuononga ubale wathu ndi dziko la Tanzania chifukwa cha masamba. Nkhani imene yavuta apa pamene simukudziwa ndikuti boma la Malawi motsogozedwa ndi unduna wa zamalonda adalengeza kunena kuti zomera kapena kuti zokolola zakumunda zisamachokere mayiko ena tizipagulana tokha momuno. Zimenezi zakuitsa dziko la Tanzania imenenso laika chiletso kuti zomera zakumunda zisamachoke ku Malawi kupita ku Tanzania. Ndali Wara kunena kuti izizi Amalawi tinapanga mwaphuma mosaganizira ndipo moyo wake ovulala tikhala ifeyo Amalawi. Tikhale modzi pano pa Nyasa Voice Box kuti tamvera Samuel Wara kuti maganizo anu ndotani pa nkhani imeneyi pompano pa Nyasa Voice Box.
Good morning, comrades. Mosquera bwanje ena mwazuka bwanje. No, comrades, let me be honest with you. Nkhani ya Malawi ndi Tanzania bani imene iyi. Siyo thandiza pena paliponse. And let's not politicize this issue. This issue, imene mwapanga bani, imene tinapanga Malawi, it was not calculative. It was not well calculated. There's no way tinga unonge ubale wa Malawi ndi Tanzania because of vegetables. Kulibe zimene zozo. Because of our farm produce. The consequences are very high. Then namukuti Tanzania inu ifeya Malawi ndifa anthu ogona. I've been telling you comrades Malawians, musogololi watu uchakwera ndi watulo. That's the problem. There's nothing. When the leadership is poor in the country, aliyesa mapanga chipenda kupanga. Can't you see kutepapa tikuyaluka ndifeya Malawi? What do we have here? Tindi chani kumalawi kunoko. Someone has said it clearly. Kumalawi kuno olo ngombe zimene ngombe zatu zimene tikuweta kumalawi kuno. They're not ready for export. We can't even palibe chimene chingatisunge kumalawi kunoko minus Tanzania. Tisamana mizana papa yaya. Uyuyu minister Vitumbiko Mumba anala kwisa with Chakwera. There's no way a newly appointed minister kungononga zinthu within seconds. Malawi bastavutika. You can see the quaves of trucks. Taona ni magamo rimena kumaboda huku. And the president is saying nothing. This is an internal issue. It is an internal but as well as an extended issue with the government of Tanzania. Timakamba za Nyanja Pompa, our friends in Tanzania, they are making millions and millions of dollars pa Nyanja ya Malawi. If we just complain and sing crying, timango imba basi, nyimbo zolira basi. We don't have, even our security is not enough to fight Tanzania. Security fair nini orokuti antapange smuggle chani Katundu. People will be smuggled Katundu from Tanzania. Tilibe capacity. Tanzanians will be apapa tangosegura makomo smuggle panopa. Our goods will be smuggled. Our borders are porous between Malawi and Tanzania. Chilipa apa Chakwera come up with apange za changu hapa. This is an emergency Malawi government. Komena mtiai Vitumbuko Mumba sana la kwise wala kwisa kaya ngarisana la kwise. Why is Tanzania coming up with a ban? Banji Tanzania ati ban fail. It's because of this minister Mumba. I'm not backing him this time. This is not politics. This is serious business. Tenti zipanga ndale kumalawi koma sapange chisokonezo ndima iko omwe timapendula kutima pezako chambiko tima pezako zambiri. We get a lot of stuff. Zose zokuza ziweto Malawi muno mtima gula Tanzania. These drug shops, maveti ujena, maveti drug shops awao. Tima uda Tanzania. Mukati maone hivi ni mangwalo pela sikizi. Tima gula mtaku Tanzania. Amene mbedwa mchiswahili. Well, we produce nothing here in Malawi. Otinga pange matama chota. Matama mene wao nda mena pangisa ziku watu kulowa pasi. Amala, we pretend too much. Kuti we are a good country. We are nobody in this country. The president what Chakwera hiwi. Chakwera has failed us very much. You can see. Mezi kuchira Malawi kunoko. Ango itana mota itana ntanzero apite ku State House ku Palace. Akakambe fundo za zero. Akuba itana mafumu opanda nchito ngatao. Aukaitana azibusa opanda nchito ngatao. Aukaitana azimaya chipani kupita ku State House opanda nchito ngatao. Kwasi ntanzero. What sort of a country is this? This poor leadership ya Chakwera ikipweteka imene hii. Vitumbuka mumba wangu kala cabinet minister kugweneza ziko lonse la Malawi. Kuchipani kwa MCP kwa sokonozeka kwa gaikana chwela vitumbuka mumba omwe. Inde nchito kuigwira kwa masatire mindondomeko yake kudoka nchito. Who is the cabinet minister in Malawi to influence a ban against another big country with well economy? Tanzania is well up in terms of economy. Tina vichi Malawi munos. What do we have here in Malawi? We've got nothing. That's why tufuna msogoli. Yomwe apange zintu. Tuoneke ngati ziko. That's why we're campaigning for Daso Kabambe. Mundu wazo tipange economy yati ikazikike. Zibene mumba upangazo. Zimafunika boma. Ndi msogoli wozo wa economy. Osata Chakwera wawa ya. Wawa ya. Awati chedusa kwambia Chakwera wawa. Yes, delayed us. Then mumba Tanzania is better off than ourselves. Mashopa mene mkona Malawi munakwenda bwino azovara amankhwala ma drug shop. It's Tanzania that our friends are producing. If we were only consumers with no brains, starting with the president Chakwera. Tibe ni zero zomwe Malawi. Zero zatu za telatu because of this man Chakwera wanu. Apapa chonchi tikudana za kupoda iya akupaka akasegura kachani. Akupanga attend meeting BICC. Very useless man. Very useless president ametinayo. Uyu minister Mumbai must be fired from cabinet. Komasu cabinet osa ipange lishafu. Mwaka cabinet atumazuzulana ka. Cabinet yanje oti zimzikala kwika simakhala pasi kuona kuti Amalawi kudenda wachani. Cabinet yongo kaya MCP okayo habas. What sort of country is this? We people were a shame of a country. Uyu minister we wala kwisa zintu. That's why this is the win. Then mupanga yai Tanzania say baki Tanzania ndi Malawi takapa ubaya tayari tali kwa basi. Our Malawian friends have been billionaires because of Tanzania. Tanzanians have been billionaires because of us Malawians. Ubale undwa kale suti huyu mumba ngati sokoneze wangati timbali zenga mumba cha wherever he is mumba must understand this. Running a government is not just the way you think or the way you look. Ngati uliwolemera windi nzeru kapange company yako usiye minister. We need cordial relationship with Tanzania. Not meant to pangira papa. Tina vichi kumalawi kuno. What do we have here in Malawi? Even kona matraka hata tilibe china chili chose kumalawi kunoko. And we're looking at people who are rich here in Malawi as compared to Tanzania. Tanzanians are much better. They produce, they've got companies. Kulokota kantole mera tima gurisa katundu kuboma mwaka tangale. We're not rich. We're not creative as a country. Zalakwika tu hapa zalakwika. Haya imumba wananange ya nkuni. So wale kunanga ya ntikulira pana. Tela jara border huko. Crossing a border is a serious, it's a war on its own. Ndingondo timene hii. Mkangopita Tanzania without following their ban instructions or restrictive measures aita Tanzania. Akakuombela ni Tanzania. Hamu murasani mwamufu. What sort of politics is this? Let's just deal with our stupid politics that we're doing here. The stupid politics that is in MCP. Omwe chikarakwika sama karapansi ma cabinet minister. Chipani si chikarapansi kuti zionepo zinziwili zitatu. Who's the Mumba in MCP? Who's the Mumba in the cabinet? They mean that the whole cabinet ya MCP. Paibe mina ngampange point fingers at Mumba, kumuzuzula Mumba. Or just fire him out of the cabinet. What is your problem? We've got better people in Malawi. Even there are better people in MCP who can take over that position ya Mumba. Chilowele Mumba as cabinet minister. We have never slept well. Kuchipani mkulimba na ma-primaries Kuzimba Central, mkulimba na Maudindo, mkulimba na Maurani mate. That's because of one person. Who is he? Why can't Mumba start his own party? I'm sorry to say this. Mumba is wrong as a minister of trade and influenced the ban. Yomoyapanga provoked the situation to Tanzania. Our people are suffering. People already have started making losses. I'm sorry to say this. Mumba must stop this. Chakwera also must say bye. Chakwera nasa zuke. 5 years sleeping panchito yake. Everyone who is close to Chakwera misbehaves. What sort of a country is this? What sort of a president is this? This must be sorted out today, not tomorrow. Uyu minister wa Pupuruma Chomene out. Anali wabu inaende timamkonda kumbia kusego. But this one, the ban with Tanzania, ukora wapaka bani kalo Tanzania, amaiti zivutika. Mumali mantochi kuno. Do you have mega, mulindima mega farm ngono oli mantochi kumanai kuno. Everything good we eat on our breakfast, tikuja zangu zabu ino mafuta o cheaper, tima gula Tanzania. Do we produce mafuta? Do we produce, what do we produce here in Malawi? Sindi coffee kumalai kuno, tima zala coffee kumpoto kuno. Andi market want to know. We people were fools. Thank you and good morning.